Hi everyone, we are going to continue with the second example of this custom shuffle in place. Okay, this is a different form. This is a different for how to create custom shuffle. It's a shuffle function. It's a built-in function in in random. This is a library of random, but this is a different way. Different way to create a custom shuffle in place. Okay, so we are going to explain you out step by step, okay, how we create it this way. Okay, so no worry for that. So let's suppose that you have this list. Okay, we are going to draw this on our whiteboard. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because these list has 6 values, 6 items in. Okay, so okay, this is one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to um, we are going to put its own index. It has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why am I doing this? Because we are going to account for the index, each index for each value. Okay, so for example, this is the same. Okay, we have data. The data accounts for the list. Okay, when we pass this data to into our function, obviously that we are going to pass our list, our own list, and in this list we will reversed. I mean, each value we are going to be replaced for a different value within the list. Okay, so if in the, for example, from the let's suppose that at the beginning you had one. Okay, so you saw one which has zero index zero, but then you realize when using this custom shuffle in place, this value one will be changed, okay, randomly, and then for example this one will be at the end of the list. Instead of 6, you will see one. Okay, so that is what our function does. So this is the main aim of our function. Okay, so this is Lx. So Lx is equal len data. So len data has how many values? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, and 6. So there are 6 values. Okay, so the length of this list is 6. So Lx has 6 values. I mean 6. This is the number 6. That's all. This is the number 6. Else Lx is equal to 6. Okay, and then we use our loop for. Okay, so for I in range Lx. So range rel else. So there is really simple. I mean, because Lx, which has 6 values, we are going. It's going to work. It's going to start from 0 up to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 6 values. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then what are we going to do? So that is really simple. We are going to delete this. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so let's continue with this. So this is choice. Okay, this is choice. Okay, we write C. Okay, is that equal random point of random dot random. Okay, it's a 0 is a Lx minus 1 minus I. Okay, okay, so this is um between 0 and then 6 and minus 1 minus I, but which value does I have? So which value? This is 0, I mean 0, and then 6 minus 1, it is 5, and then we are going to start from 0 up to 5. Okay, so between 0 and 5, because it depends of the value of I, because at the next index will be 1, and then it changes, so it's going to be 6 minus 1 minus 1 and then 4, and then it's going to keep changing. Okay, so it's a choice between 0 and 5 first of all. Okay, so data choice. Okay, data is choice. So what's choice? I mean choice. Let's suppose that we have two. Okay, so data two. So for example, 0 is a 0, is a 0, 1, 2. This is the value 3. I mean the value 3 has the index 2. Like a 0, like a 0, 1, 2. Okay, and for example choice is 2. Okay, so this is 2, 3. Okay, so three in this 3 we are going to 3 is going to be replaced by another value. Okay, but it's the same. Okay, so it is not the same. I'm sorry, it's going to be different, because data lx minus 1 minus I is going to be different. So for example, this is 0. Okay, obviously that is 0, but um, lx is a 6. That's right. And then 6 minus 1 minus 0, and the 6 is a 5. Is a 5, and then show is 3, 2. Sorry, 3, and then 3 is going to be changed. I mean, it's a data. Okay, sorry. Okay, these are data, the choice, data of choice are 3, is that 2, that's right, 2. Okay, equal to data. Okay, is 5. Okay, so which value has the index 2? Okay, 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 is equal to data 5, is a 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 6, and then 3 is equal to 6, and then 6 is a 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. Okay, so and then it continues changing a lot, because we are going to work with this data. Okay, data lx minus 1 minus I, and then data choice. It is the same, but it is reversed. So and then we will obtain a list with all the values changed at the same time. Okay, so we are going to print this, and then we will see that all this list has been changed. I mean, not the values which are within this list, but these values are going to be changed randomly when using our custom shuffle inputs, or when we are using our branding function, which is a built-in function from the library random. Okay, so let's do this. See, you see, this is one. These are 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then we continue doing this. Okay, and then okay, it keeps changing. 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1. Okay, so we accomplished everything we had in mind. So that is really simple, actually, when we are doing some exercise with lists. It's really simple. I mean, it's really awesome how lists can be used to work with loops, and different kind of built-in functions from different libraries in Python. So, well, this is it was all for today. We are going to continue with a lot of videos regarding Python, and then probably you will get more knowledge about Python and basic Python, and then we will continue with our course related to data science. Okay, thank you so much for keep for watching us every week. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody.